Okay, now let's consider the divisibility rule of 11. So here I'm starting out with a 5-digit number. So A's in the 10,000, B's in the thousands, and so on. So I'll go ahead and do my expanded form, just like we've done the expanded form in the past and the other ones. Now, once again, I want to form multiples of 11 so that I can prove that it's divisible by 11. So instead of going 10,000A, I'm going to go 999 or 9,999A with my 1A over here. So the red stuff still gives me my 10,000A. With 1000B, I'm going with 1001B minus a B, because 1001 is divisible by 11. With my 100C, I'm going with a 99C, and then I need one extra C here. When I look at 10B, that's really, or 10D, 11D, but 11 is one more than what I had here, so I need to have a minus D over here. My purple ones here really give me my purple here. So I'm going to go ahead and factor in 11 out of that first part. So then I have what's left over here. So I have my um, multiple of 11, so therefore the first part's divisible by 11. So the whole number is divisible by 11 if and only if we alternately subtract and add the digits from left to right. And if that's divisible by 11, then our original number is divisible by 11. So an example is right here. If we alternately add and subtract the digits from left to right, so 9 minus 1 plus 8 minus 0 plus 8 minus 2, which when we put all that together is 22. Now 22 is really a multiple of 11 because it's just 2 times 11. So the original number is divisible by 11 because when we alternated the signs and added, that's divisible by 11. So now we're going to look at divisibility by 13. Once again, we're back to a 4-digit number, and I'm going to start with that expanded form, just like we've done with the others. And I just want to go ahead and get multiples of 13, just like I've tried to do with the others, trying to get multiples of whatever I'm trying to prove for my divisibility. So I have 1,000, that's 1,300, which is a multiple of 13, but 1,300 is 300 more than this, so I need to have a minus 300a here. So with 100b, I'm going to go with 130b, but then I got to subtract 30b to get me that blue 100. Similarly with the green. Now, my d here, I want it to be a multiple of 13, so that's really a 13d, but that's an extra 12d, so I need to have minus 12d over here. So the first part's a multiple of 13, which is good, and in this case I pulled out a negative 3 out of the last part. Not a big deal, but it's going to be helpful here. So once again, the first part is a multiple of 13, so therefore it's divisible by 13. So the whole number is divisible by 13 if and only if we take 4 times the units digit, because that's what D was, and then if we add that to the numbers in front. If that's divisible by 13, then the original number is divisible by 13. Now this one is one of those that you might have to repeat again. So let's go ahead and follow that example on the next page here. So we'll start out with this number here. Once again, we had to go 4 times the units digit and add it to the digits before that. 4 times the units digit and add it to what's before. And we get this. And then we can repeat that process. Because I don't know if this number here off the top of my head is divisible by 13. So we'll go the first two numbers plus 4 times the units digit. I get 78. Now you might know if that's a multiple of 13, you might not. So we can repeat the 7 times the 8 plus the 4, or not 7 times 8, the 7 plus 4 times 8, and we get 39. Now, a lot of people know that 39 is a multiple of 3 because it's 3 times 13. So therefore, our original number is a multiple or divisible by 13.